Today is Monday, I'm off from work, and my basement is a mess. My kids are off from school, it's a teacher work day. I'm going to have them help me take these 2 nightstands to Goodwill today. My daughter is using something else as her nightstands. The nightstands have been donated. So far, we brought in sand and leveled it, laid down the black liner, and added the foam wall cove. The pool liner is on. All we have left to do is install the pump and level out the dirt and make it look pretty. This is what I'm working on today. The shelf has been fairly organized. Working on getting rid of some trash in this trash bag over here. I've been organizing all the screws and the bolts and the nuts. I'm trying to get these tools organized where they're easily to be found. I have to work on this drawer and that one. So I wanted to show you guys this room. This used to be my old bedroom. I have made a mess. I would love to go through all the clothes over there and take it to donation. I already know that this is going to take me a minute to get everything out of here. My goal is to get rid of everything. I am tired of having things in my house that I no longer use anymore on a daily basis. Things that I'm not using on a daily basis has to go. The extra blankets, the extra sheets. What I have realized is if I'm gonna need that item, I'm just gonna go replace it. But at the same time, I'm at that point in my life, I don't like going out to buy things just to buy things. Shopping is not my hobby. I would rather put that money in savings or save it for a big purchase that I may need. I am 36. If this is the way my house looks now, imagine what it would look like 5 years from now, 10 years from now, if I don't take the time to get things out of my house. This is what's going on. I got this closet cleaned out. I moved the desk over here, put the mirror up top. I rolled the rug up and moved the TV over here. That way, if I need to use the living room to work on editing, I can have my son, he loves hanging out in there. I can have him hang out here while I'm doing that. I moved the table over here. The bigger stuff is gonna go probably in the springtime or summertime. This is my pool floaty holder. I'm getting ready for the pool next summer. I moved this little stand over here, put the microwave on top of it. I like this lamp. It gets dark at night, so this will come in handy as well because it has a charging port. Now that this area is clean, it's kind of a mess out here. Here is an update of the pool. It's raining today. It's been raining yesterday, but we got the pool filled in. The pump is up. It's behind the pool. Remember when I mentioned the big things going? That's gonna go too. I am going to break down these boxes and burn them. This is what I have worked on so far. When I go to burn the boxes, I'm gonna burn this too because it's shaky. I took everything out. It got wet from a leak one year right after buying this, which was kind of sad. I used to like to keep the extra pantry items in here, but I think I'm no longer going to do that. I transferred food onto this car over there. In this cabinet though, I have my light bulbs, miscellaneous things, decorations on this shelf, the pool things on this shelf, and then the extra kitchen appliances on this shelf that I don't really reach for. I got 2 piles ready, donation and a few things to get money. That is trash. Over here are things that I want to try and use. Last bin that needs to get donated. I have a donation bin ready to go to be filled with things we don't need in the future. This area is nice and organized. This is where we put our shoes on. I have my garden things on there and tools. Some more trash ready to go. I just need to organize some of these tools. I do still need to go through what's on the shelf, but that will be later. I'm really tired of organizing this basement, but I'm really proud of myself. I would also like to go through all of these drawers and get rid of as much as I can. This is what my kitchen looks like because I've been cleaning and organizing the basement for 2 days. This is what my bedroom looks like because I have been cleaning and organizing the basement for 2 days. The bedroom is clean. Kitchen is clean.